Here's how to fix Uber Eats ID verification. If you're having trouble completing identity verification on Uber, here are a few things you can try. First, check your name. Open your profile settings in the Uber app and make sure your first and last name match your government-issued ID exactly, including the spelling. Next, retake your photos. Make sure your ID photo or selfie is clear, sharp, and properly lit. Avoid blurry images, dark areas, or shadows that could hide important details. If you're taking a selfie, make sure your entire face and neck are visible. Then, check your ID's validity. Make sure the government-issued photo ID or passport you're using has not expired and is still valid. If verification continues to fail, contact Uber support and request further assistance or a manual review. You can reach support through the Uber Help Center or the Help section within the app. When requested, provide your registered email address, phone number, and a photo of your ID or the verification error message. Following these steps can help resolve common identity verification problems and give you a better chance of completing the process successfully. And that's it. So, that's all for this video. Thanks.